So first off, they provided free food, free alcohol. You guys having a good time? Meteor's a fucking awesome technology, right? Hell yeah. So let's talk nuts and bolts. That's pretty loud. You want to use Meteor to make money? Let's build a marketplace. And what do I mean by marketplace? Well, I mean, it looks something like this. So you're collecting money from a customer, transferring it to a vendor. Airlots guys, this is you. And somewhere in the middle, yoink, some of the money is going to your bank account. How can you do that? Well, there's Stripe, there's a bunch of other stuff. There's Meteor packages for some things. Tonight, real quick, we're going to talk about using balance payments in the balance payments package with Meteor. So installing, if you're using Meteor, awesome. If not, and you're on like 0.6.5 now, just grab the package, type Meteor add, adjust your packages.json, and you'll be good. So on the client side, it's really simple. The package for balance payments adds a balance loaded callback for you in the session. So if you are using session extras, which you could be, 1 minute remaining, are you kidding me? With the clapping and everything. Okay, so you know what? These slides are going to be online. Take a look at them. It's really easy. The only gotcha is, at the end, you'll need to use meteor.bindEnvironment if you're going to be calling Meteor functions in your callback on the server side. On the client side, what this gets you is the ability to add and use balance.js framework on the front end. And if you don't use meteor.bindEnvironment on the back end, you're borked, and no one likes that. So, because there's 30 seconds left now, here is the GitHub repository for this. And by the way, we're using this in a production app right now. That production app is flavorplease.com. At flavorplease.com, you can book a food truck for your next special event, whether it's an office lunch or your wedding or birthday party. It's all transferred through Balance, which is actually cost competitive to Stripe and everything else that you might be using. Also, my time is up, but if you want some consulting, we do that too. Questions or not? Or not? Oh, or one, yeah. What's up?
Was balance payments originally written as a Meteor package?
So good question. Okay, so was balance packages really originally set up as a Meteor package or not? No, it's completely separate to Meteor. And originally they didn't even have a Node.js NPM package for it. So what we did is we took the NPM package, which was third party, was kind of crap, added some more stuff to it. They've now adopted that as their official Node package for Balanced. And we packaged that as part of Atmosphere, but really it's a Meteor package. So you can grab it, drop it into your packages directory if you're using 0.6.4, if you're using 0.6.5, add it into your packages JSON, and then you're pretty much good to go. Any other questions? Yeah? It is PCI compliant. So what, if you take a look back through the, thank you for asking a question so I can show you my slide for a second. So when you add this, it's going to load balance.js API on the client for you. And you can initialize it using your marketplace, which is how Balance determines who you are versus everybody else. And there's test marketplaces and stuff. By the way, I'm not associated or affiliated or get anything about promoting Balanced or anything like that. But what you do is you tokenize a card just like you would on Stripe. The credit card information never touches your servers. All you get back is a token from Balanced. Then you use that on your server side to create a card, add that to your customer profile, and then you can charge it from there. It's really very easy. It's like your typical Node and Meteor sort of thing where you pass in some information, you have a callback with an error response, and you're pretty much done. Other questions? No?
All right. Thank you, Ian.